Hello guys, welcome to Pado Likho Computer Science, and Mr. Tayyib Mughal is here, and you are watching C++ programming video tutorial series. Our third video is in this video we learn if else statements. Where after the second video we learn if and else statements. Here you can see as if else statements. It is very simple, similar to our if else statements. We read here some lines of statements. If else if statement can be used to choose any block of statements. It means that if you have multiple options, if you enter one use for tea, one use for tea, two use for Coca-Cola, and three for use juice. If you want to get tea, you enter one because it creation is one. If you enter one, you get tea. If you enter two, you can get Coca-Cola, and if you enter three, you can get juice. So it is very simple. I hope you can understand what is mean of if else if statements. And after this you can see here's if statement. If conditions block 1, else if block 2, if else block 3, and else you can see so on last numbers. And here you can see here simple flow chart. Here's one first condition. If the condition is true, block first condition, block 1. After this you can see if our statement is false, you go to our condition, second condition, and check if our second condition is true, print out block 2. If condition is false, then go to our third condition, and if condition is true, then print out simple if third block 3, and so on. Go back our div C++. So it's time to write our small menu. I command this code and go here and write here int I and int n use for number. So here's you can simply write here before if else statement you simply see out one. Here's I declares one for t, and 2 for Coca-Cola, and 3 for others. Simple menu. So handle and no user understand if user get tea, Coca-Cola, and other things. So simply here's I write condition n equal to before it we need to store our value. So I write int cnn, and after this so here's is time to run. If n equal to 1, simply cout and print a message you choose t, and simply cn see line end. So I copy this line for using later. If else condition, second condition, if n equal to 2, simply curly bracket and after, and you can choose Coca-Cola. So it's time to second, and if else if, and curly bracket, and here's I put condition. So n equal to 3, so it's mean to choose other things, others simply. and its loss else statements. If user not enter 4, simply print out some code, some message, wrong number, sorry that wrong number. I hope you can easily understand what is the logic of if else if statements. Here you can see I simply run true, and here's I run simply false. After this you can see, and it's time to run our programs. I press F11, and here you can see our simple menu is here's 140. I need to a Coca-Cola, so I enter 2. You can see here n equal to 2, our condition is true, and press simple, you choose Coca-Cola. Now it's time I choose enter any wrong numbers, and what happens? Now it's our program is run, I enters 5. Our condition, our 1 and 2 and 3 conditions have not equal to 5 and not print anything, so our else statement is execute. So I hit enter, you can see here's wrong numbers, so it's me numbers, just numbers, not numbers, sorry that it's mistake. And I run this again. No, it's time I enter 0. I enter 0. What happens? You can see here's wrong numbers because we not add any conditions against 0. Not we add just 3 conditions. So it is very simple and simple programs. I hope you can easily understand what this and what is and why we need to if else if statements. I think you thinking about, okay, why if need if else if statements. If you have multiple choice options, then you use switch statements, yeah, if else if statements. So I hope guys you can understand what is if else statements and how to use if else statements and how to declare anything against and how to create a menu. Enough this video, so see you next video. I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any questions, please comment on comment box, and also subscribe our channels for more amazing things and more amazing videos and more videos. So see you guys next video. Allah Hafiz.